You might think you know all that's possible with a pontoon boat, where you can go and what you'll find when you get there. But we're here to tell you, there are landscapes and soundscapes quietly awaiting your eyes and ears. Because discovery happens when we listen closely. Instead of letting the world pass us by, we prefer to go where it guides us. Introducing Harris's first electric-powered option. Go where traditional gas-powered engines can't. See what you could never see, and only hear what moves you. With the MERCURY Avator electric outboard, available on the new cruiser E210.